So Venus is moving into Taurus tonight, and I want to tell you what that means depending on your rising sign, starting with Aries rising. So if you're in Aries rising, it's going to be hitting your second house, and this house rules money and values and self-worth. So this is about your possessions and what you have. Now, Venus is the planet of like love, luxury, money, attraction, seduction, all of those yummy things. So when it steps into the second house, it's literally attracting money into your life. It's helping you connect to your values, your self-worth. So it's just a beautiful time to be really intentional with money, especially because you're going to be attracting a lot more, but also with your self-love, with what you value, quality over quantity. It's a really beautiful time to just kind of be really intentional and be really patient and assess your situation, and also to do a lot of work around money, because since it's going to be flowing in and you're going to be feeling really yummy and sweet with it, it's a great time to reassess your relationship with money and to kind of reset the slate for how you want your year to go. If you are a Taurus rising, honey, Venus is coming home. So Venus rules your chart because you're a Taurus rising, and it's going to be hitting your first house. Now, your first house is all about you. Literally your identity, how you look, how people perceive you. So you are going to become magnetic AF. Everything you touch, people are just going to be drawn to you. Money is going to come to you. You might even have an upgrade in your look. I feel like when you have a Venus return, this is the perfect time to do that thing you've always wanted to do, like maybe get a haircut, color your hair. Granted, it has to feel good. It can't be like a spur of the moment decision. But when Venus is in your first house, it's literally highlighting your appearance. So it's a beautiful time for a glow up, because not only are you going to be catching everybody's eyes, everything you touch is just going to become beautiful, including your appearance. So bask in the glory of being seen and noticed, and just let the admiration come in. You deserve it. If you are a Gemini rising, it's going to be hitting your 12th house. So the 12th house is all about the subconscious, what's hidden, your dreams, your deepest desires, but it's a part of you that other people don't see. So Venus coming into this house is going to bring a little bit of softness and beauty into this. So it's just a beautiful time to process hidden feelings. It's probably a beautiful time for dreams, to pay attention to your dreams. You may attract a love connection. If you are creating like art or poetry, you're just going to be super inspired, because beautiful things are going to come from you spending time with your mind, with your subconscious, and with your feelings. Now, because this is your inner world and your subconscious, it's also a beautiful time to do inner work, especially when it comes to how you see yourself. So self-perception, self-worth, and just prioritizing that inner world versus the outer. I would say if Venus is going to be touching your 12th house, it's a beautiful time to slow down and just be with yourself, because beautiful things can come out of that cocooning phase. If you are a Cancer rising, it's going to be hitting your 11th house. And honey, this is a yummy, yummy transit, because the 11th house is the house of your, words, is the house of your network, your community, and attracting people into your life. So when the planet of beauty and attraction steps into a house where you're attracting people, my love, if you're a Cancer rising, this is a beautiful time to go network, to go outside, to go make friends. You might be attracting like lifelong friends, soul connections, just beautiful people, beautiful synchronicities into your life. Also, if you have a business and you're putting out an offer or you're posting something on social media, you are going to be so magnetic and people are ready to buy what you have. You're literally attractive, magnetic, beautiful. People are just going to be seeking you out and like, who is this person and how come I never saw them before? So with this transit, if I were you, 1, I would be outside. 2, I would let myself be seen. And 3rd, if you're looking for love or friends or connection, my love, do not sleep on this time. It's actually magical for you. If you are a Leo rising, like me, is going to be hitting your 10th house. Let me tell you why this is amazing. It has to do with the planet of magnetism, beauty, and money hitting your 10th house of career and visibility. So if you are a Leo rising, my love, this is the time to make videos, to go live, to talk to your audience, to launch a new product, to really think about like, what do I want my legacy to be? What do I want to be known for? And just show up. You're going to be magnetic. The people that are meant to resonate with your message, they will. They will see you, they'll gravitate to you, and they're ready to invest in whatever you have, as long as it's working for them and it's in their highest good, of course. As you know, the 10th house is one of the highest points in your chart. This is about letting yourself be seen, using that magnetism and that charm and grace and softness that comes from Venus to just let people see the inner and not the outer. Don't get me wrong, we're beautiful. Leo risings, we command a lot of attention, but this is when our inner world is shining. This is when what we say, our passions, the thing that drive us, the thing that makes us get out of bed, our legacy is literally shining through and people can see it. If you are a Virgo rising, is going to be hitting your ninth house. Y'all, this is a beautiful transit because this is the house of like travel, higher learning, philosophy, and even spirituality. So if you're somebody that is spiritual, this might be a really beautiful time to just have new perspectives develop, to see life a little bit different, to do inner work. I will also say Venus being here, attracting finances and such, is going to bring travel. So you might be taking a trip in the next month or so. And if you haven't, you're probably going to go see some new places, meet some foreigners, people that you typically would not encounter. You are going to be attracting them into your life. Learning will also be something that will come very natural during this season. Like you're going to gravitate to certain topics and things that are going to light you up. The biggest thing is just to enjoy yourself, to go towards the things that light you up, that make you happy, like traveling, learning, and also pay attention to who you attract, because you might actually attract romance from someone that's from out of the country or out of state. Think foreign. Okay, y'all, this is getting a little long, so I'm going to break it up into 2 parts. So if your rising is Libra or after, follow for part 2. Also, leave a comment for me if it's resonating, if you're already experiencing these things in your lives. I would love to hear it, just because Venus moves into Taurus tonight, June 5th, but you're going to be feeling it for the next month, and you probably started feeling it already.